The new facade at the Holiday Inn Rapid City downtown is hard to miss and a true testament to Rapid City's resilience. After their facility was pummeled by a hailstorm in summer of 2020, huge repairs were imminent. Rather than sticking with things as they were, they decided it was time to reimagine what this beloved hotel could look like. Their employees were able to vote on renderings, and the team of architects and contractors took the feedback to create a dramatic update to the facade of the building. Some of the changes include energy-efficient windows, a new roof, changing the color palette of the hotel, and updating the roof line to give the building a more contemporary look and feel. I know I speak for our wonderful team when I say that all the stress, quick pivots, and months of construction was more than worth it when the scaffolding came down and we saw the final product right in front of us, said Logan Steffens, general manager. With the new Summit Arena at the Monument drawing in visitors from across the region, they feel their new look enhances the experience for both visitors and locals alike. Their new exterior shows how vibrant and modern Rapid City is. Big things are happening throughout Rapid City, including a new arena, a revitalized downtown, and new offices and homes being built throughout the area. They are excited to continue to reinvest in their business and continue to be a space that brings people together for years to come.